Hello and welcome back to Cipheros. For the next 150 days, I will be coding every day until, well, I get ready to college. I am on the first semester and the first programming course is on the third one. Okay, so we have approximately 150 days as I am finishing the first one and we have all summer, the second one, etc. What can you expect? Real, unedited and commented sections about coding every single day, projects, learning, problem solving, etc. etc. Also, you can learn from my struggles, my mistakes, and my victories also. This will be divided into 3 stages. The first one is going to be about Vue.js until this 2024 finishes. The next one is going to be all about C# learning and application service for all the summer. But the last one is gonna be everything about C++, problem solving learning, and also programming, like some games or I don't know, just backend stuff. And if you notice, obviously we have painted aliens for the thumbnails. Why I'm doing this, I don't know, it's something interesting, okay, that you can learn from, and also see how to share up your progress will boost it actually. So by showing out projects, pushing your limits and staying consistent, seriously, that we can just get that timestamp programmer that everyone wishes. So stick around with me and let's time to program. We're gonna see us on just the first day, obviously.